Welcome to the Muscle Building Roadmap brought to you by SweatSphere Fitness. If you don't know me, my name is Josh. I'm the lead coach here at SweatSphere Fitness, and I'm going to be walking you through the 6 different steps of the Muscle Building Roadmap. So, what is the Muscle Building Roadmap? All it is it's going to be our proven blueprint going over the 6 different steps in order to master your fitness and routine. So starting off with level 0, improvise, working our way up to 1, identify, level 2, commit, level 3, structure, level 4, optimize, level 5, personalize, and level 6, refine. Now, each one of these steps builds off of the other. So we're going to be going over the roadblocks and what you need to do to graduate in order to progress to the next step. Now, as we go down the list, going from this way over to this way, the steps that we need to take in order to graduate are going to get more advanced. And the roadblocks that we're going to have at each step are going to also be more of a challenge. So making sure that we build our foundation strong, starting off at level 0, is going to ensure that we have success with our fitness journey. Transforming your body is hard. Most people struggle to build muscle, lose fat, or stay consistent. We promise no results. This roadmap outlines what we've done personally and what we've seen work for many others through real-world training, not just theory. But it may not work for you. Your effort, consistency, nutrition, and lifestyle choices all play a role. Kind of comes down to the more you put in, the more you're going to get out of this. Our promise is we're going to break down every step of transforming your body from out of shape to strong, lean, and confident. And we're going to walk you through our proven muscle building roadmap so you can identify exactly where you are in your journey and know precisely what to do next. If you're new to us, I'm Josh, the lead coach here at SweatSphere Fitness, a growing community dedicated to helping everyday people build muscle, lose fat, and take full control of their health. We've helped over 100 plus men and women not only transform their bodies, but reshape their confidence, habits, and lifestyles using our proven step-by-step system. We don't hand you a temporary fix. We teach you how to build your own personal training program so you're not just fit for a season, you're strong for your life. Whether your goal is to finally lose weight or pack on lean muscle or build a routine you can actually stick to, we've built the roadmap to help you get there. So let's begin. Now, here's another look at the muscle building roadmap. This roadmap is designed to help you get past whatever roadblocks you have at each individual step. And if you don't want to go through and take a look at each individual step, you can just click the button below and put in your information, and we can send you your own personalized muscle building roadmap, specifically set to where you are in the muscle building roadmap and what you need to do to graduate to the next level. With that being said, let's take a closer look at what each step entails. Every level is going to have a goal and a support system. We're also going to list the roadblocks and what you need to do to graduate for the 6 different components of your fitness journey. So starting off with your training structure, fitness focus, nutrition, recovery, tracking and tools, and your mindset. So all of this is going to be things that might be keeping you stuck at this level and making you plateau. And once we go over the roadblocks for this level, we're then going to give you what you need to do, the steps necessary in order to graduate to the next level for things like your training structure, fitness focus, nutrition, recovery, tracking tools, and mindset. And always we have the bottom line. This is just what you need to do at this level in order to level up to the next one and continue moving forward with your fitness journey. As we walk through the levels of the muscle building roadmap, think of them as a guideline, not a rigid set of rules. Every fitness journey is unique, and sometimes people progress in certain areas faster than others. For example, if you find yourself lifting heavier weights but never really nailed your nutrition, or if you're tracking your lifts but skip recovery, it just means that skipped step is likely to become your weak link down the road. That's why we help you fill in the gaps so you can advance smarter, not harder. So for example, level 0, we want to make sure that we're identifying everything that we're doing at this stage and what we need to do in order to graduate. And as always, if you want to join a supportive community where you can learn everything you need to know about starting your fitness journey and continue leveling up a lot quicker with your progress in the gym, make sure you go ahead and join our SweatSphere Fitness school community of like-minded fitness enthusiasts and beginners trying to better themselves every single day, keeping each other accountable and making sure that everyone sees progress. And that's going to be it for the overview of the muscle building roadmap. In the next video, we're going to be diving right into level 0, which is improvised. So I will see you guys in level 0.